Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It's a brand new day. It's still a day at home. Today is gonna have a lot to do like every day. I'm up, babe's supposed to work out, but babe is tired this morning, so I'm taking care of the kids to give her like a hour, maybe more, sleep, so she can work out, dude. Tyler is up as early as usually, so he's here watching Paw Patrol, having his breakfast in the same time. Look at him. And baby Sarah is beside. Hello. Hello you. Hello you. Hello. On morning, Sarah is the cutest one. I mean, you just put her in the bed and she don't really cry. She don't really do. Yeah, she's not really excited. She's easy to keep in the morning. So yeah, just take her, do what I have to do, and starting to work. I'm having my breakfast, walking at the same time. Tyler is here having his breakfast, watching TV in the same time. He's soon gonna walk his teacher. Send him every day classes, homework to do. So every day he's doing his homework. He just tell me that he want to go back to school. Why? To work or to see his friends?
It's not to see my friend.
Is to see your friend, is not to work?
No, it's not to work. It's to see my friends and tell them something.
Alright, so you're soon gonna see them, okay? You have to wait until May. Okay?
Okay.
C'est a good amount of days, you know that.
Mais ça va être trop long.
Oui, mais il faut attendre.
Le 2 mai, oh, je vais aller à l'école.
Peut-être. D'accord? Yeah, because you have 1 more month to wait, at least. Because in 2 weeks you're supposed to have a break, like spring break. So what the government said in France is because the spring break, they're not gonna open the school before no matter what. So they just let it close, and then you add 2 weeks of break. So it means you have 4 weeks at least to stay at home. Let's see after.
En avril.
No, there's no school in April.
Yes, I know that, mais j'ai oublié quelque chose.
What is it?
D'abord, je vais à l'école. Après, il y a le coronavirus dehors. Je vais à la maison. Après, je attends quand c'est avril. Mais avril, c'est le mois de Pâques.
Mm-hmm. So what is it in Pâques? What is Pâques in English?
Je sais pas.
Easter.
Oh oui, je me souviens.
Hello.
Comme
Hello,
il y a
cutie.
le coronavirus dehors. Comme il y a le coronavirus dehors. D'abord, on va regarder dehors s'il y a des œufs.
Tyler, stop moving. Mm-hmm.
Après, si on en trouve, on coupe à la maison et on attend que les cloches sonnent. Après, on prend un panier ou quelque chose pour ramasser les œufs.
Des œufs dans la maison?
Non, les œufs dehors, on va d'abord vérifier. Parce qu'il y a le coronavirus dehors.
Hey guys, if you watch the vlog, every year baby used to buy chocolate eggs and to hide them somewhere. So we say because of coronavirus, let's see what's gonna happen for this Easter. Anyway guys, have a lot to do enjoy to the vlog. See you guys soon.
Why your breakfast haven't finished? Sarah,
Because
juice?
Papa
Sarah, Sarah.
because I wanted to play with Sarah. And I'm going to eat it when I reach camping. Oh, this. Oh, we need to bring a lot of things at camping. Sarah, it's time to go camping. Hurry up, Sarah. It's time to go.
Good morning.
There's a sign that says no right camping today, but here is camping. I reached camping.
You guys, look at my hair. Hi, friends. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I am so tired. I'm so tired. I just woke up. While I took a little extra 1 hour in the bed this morning. So babe, look after the kiddos for me. I just woke up and get some green juice so I can get some energy. And then I am going to try and get my workout in. But I'm so tired. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. We are okay on this side. We are good on this side. My girl is up. Tyler is up. And of course Tyler have school today. Playing many roles is not easy, eh? This homeschooling life is no joke. Because you still try to make him get as much hours in as if he was really out at school. So that's not easy, but we're getting through, and I'm so tired. Anyway, you guys, this girl just drink all my green juice. You don't drink all my green juice. You just 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 drink all. You just drink all my green juice. You just drink all my green juice. You just drink all my green juice. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. I am going to carry on with my day, with getting some stuff done around here. So stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated. I love you guys, and let's get this day started. Do your work. You guys, Sarah is taking a nap and we are doing school. That's what's going on right now. I still haven't got to work out, but that's okay. So I'm giving Tyler activity that his teacher sent for him to do.
Finish.
Do one more line.
Finish.
You finished?
Yes.
Tell Face what you were doing.
I was doing Z.
I was.
Doing Z.
And what is G in English?
Z.
G.
G.
Right. You are learning how to write the letter G, right?
Yes.
Okay. And you finish?
Yes.
You think you did well?
Yes.
You did very, very, very good. So that means you get a smiley face. That's what Tyler was doing. he was learning to write the letter J. So the first row is my example and the other is his. So he did really well, and he did now he's going to have these words and capital letter, and he's to find the common letter below them and circle which letter is the right letter to match the capital letter. Okay, so you find the I. Good job. The E, the P, the O, the M, the H, the D, the R.
That is the Adi. Oh, right.
The L, the A, the T, the G, the B, the M, the U.
Not
100%. That's what it says.
100%. Read again. I'm so happy.
Good job. So there goes his next activity he did. And he did very well. Alright, your next activity is here. This one, and then you can take a break.
Okay.
You have 4 numbers.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. This game is called Sudoku. In one block, 1 number is missing.
Okay.
Put in the missing number.
Okay, from here.
All of them have 1 number missing. Put in the missing number. Let me just tell you, doing your own workout, whatever you feel like doing, and following somebody else's program is 2 complete different things. I tell you guys in a recent vlog that I've been embarking on a new journey, and I'm not ready to share with you guys it. Until I see results, then I'll be able to share it with you guys and give you guys recommendation. But I've been following a program for the past few days, 5 days. Today is my day 5, and when I say that I have been dying, I mean I have been dying. I cut back on my running because my knee is really giving me trouble, so I had to find a way of still getting my workout in, and this is a new journey that I'm on. But until I can see results, then I'll give you guys all the details about it. But yo, following somebody else's program is rough. I'm dying. So workout was good. It was good nonetheless, and now I'm gonna get fresh, have some lunch, and take care of my family. I'll finish the week strong and have a good day, y'all. All fresh. My girl is taking a nap, my boy is here doing cube, and I'm going to have some lunch right now, which is plain old lettuce, my favorite. And I did some chicken wings last night, so I'm gonna warm up those. And I have some curry gravy that I'm gonna put over my lettuce. And that should be lunch. Look who is visiting from the office. Office back up. Office back up. Don't mind me. The joy of him being at home.
And The unhappiness of you having me at home.
Exactly, it's in my space. Everywhere is in my space. I'm just joking. Anyway, you guys. Honey, you eat banana? What a boy love banana. Sometimes not eat them none tall.
Nobody eat them, so I have to eat them before they spoil and become black.
Well, I'm gonna make banana muffin next week because it's on my menu.
Okay, so I have to eat this banana.
No, not that one. When you buy fresh ones.
Oh, you only eat
I
fresh.
said next week. Cause if me make you go want and one banana only make like 4. Yeah, I hear a lot of people outside. But I ain't going out there. I hear the kids actually playing in the yard. I'm not sitting tall out there either.
It's the weekend. You don't want fries, you want soup?
You want noodle soup?
Yeah.
The same thing that you had for lunch?
Yeah.
Really?
Tyler wants soup, you don't want no
Okay.
fries, so I eat
He said
fries
want
in
noodle
front of
soup.
Oh,
Tyler.
Mama, that's okay. I want fries. So let's play a little bit some.
I'm gonna turn on the fire first, okay?
Okay.
Hi guys, this is the weekend. This is Friday after work. Let's go celebrate it.
They can see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
They can see me.
Oh no, they can't see you. What we're gonna do to celebrate it? To play dominoes with Tyler, to eat fries, to eat a lot of fat. Sometimes you have to go. They say Good Friday. This is why it's Good Friday. It's not because you dress the way you want. It's because on Friday it's good. Food is good. You just eat whatever you want. You diet all the week. You eat vegetable all the week. Good Friday is there. Eat a lot of fries, a lot of nuggets, a lot of sausage, big sausage, everything fatty, pizza. We should make homemade pizza. That's something we need to do. We want pizza. Tyler need to make that pizza. I hope you all had a wonderful week. Tyler's here behind me. I'm gonna play it a bit with him. I hope everything is good with you. I hope you're all doing well wherever you are, and if you have to stay home, eventually you can share if you have good ideas or nice things to do. So yeah, I'm gonna make Tyler dinner.
Show them us for children. Sorry, my favorite. That's all she wanted to be on me.
No, my little munchkin not feeling well.
She just wanna be on me right now.
Oh. No.
If I leave her for 2 seconds, she start to cry.
She's about to fall asleep.
Oh, yeah, she needs.
But I'm sure that if you move, she will wake up. She will
Oh, yeah.
sleep for an hour or more, but she will only sleep with you. This night gonna be hard.
I hope not.
Well, I hope not
Not
too.
feeling so good.
Alright, look, she's falling asleep.
It's dinner I took over from babe. Fries and cordon bleu. And cordon bleu, if you guys wondering what this is turkey inside and cheese. Dinner is ready. What you doing? What?
in my room.
And then you're doing what?
A story.
And then what? Stealthy is night night. I can't with you. One.
Night to night, and I'm going to absolutely bed and then yeah. Lisa, come to read that story for me.
Stealthy is night night.
Oh, that's one.
Leave the little one. So night night. I'm going for bath time and bed.
One.
Night night. My teething girl.
Mom never stop.
Never stop.
Mom life never stop.
Never stop. The kids off to bed and now I'm just getting the house fresh to go and relax. And then
I make it looks like you're the only one that do everything in the house and like I don't do nothing.
Really, babe. That's not true. That's not true at all.
Just wish you can just relax.
I only have 2 bottles to wash and then
What you want to do after that?
I'm gonna watch Manifest. You guys, this series called Manifest. If you don't watch, if you've never seen Manifest, make sure you go ahead and watch Manifest and maybe find something on Netflix to watch after that. Manifest is bomb. I won't even tell you what it's about. Go ahead and research it. It's bomb. You won't be disappointed. Trust me. From episode 1, you will be hooked. Right, babe?
Yeah, so I'm about to go get it.
Yeah. You guys, look what one of our subscribers sent to us. This is actually from one of our Jamaican subbies by the name of Moy. Moy sent me teething things for Sarah. I think it's so cute. Moy actually is a Jamaican living here in France, and she also have a YouTube channel called I'm gonna find her link and put down below in the description box, and you always hear in the comment section, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel. The link will be in the description box. So Moy send me these. Thanks Moy, appreciate it. So your girl can now get her frozen things and sort out. Yes.